Hey everyone, this is Nate from GetVoIP, and today we're talking about using WhatsApp for customer service, the benefits of doing so, and how you can get started. Let's get right to it. Customers want to connect with businesses on their terms in today's fast-paced, digitally driven marketplace. One of these platforms is WhatsApp, a game changer in the customer service world with a massive global base of 2 billion users monthly worldwide. Enabling real-time communication, along with personalized interactions on a familiar platform users already know and use daily, WhatsApp is a powerful tool businesses can leverage to build stronger relationships with their customers. Beyond just convenience and speed, WhatsApp's array of features and overall versatility as a comprehensive communication platform offer the following benefits. Firstly, improved customer satisfaction. Quick response times and personalized interactions are key to higher customer satisfaction rates. 90% of customers say an immediate response is essential or very important when they have a customer service question. 60% of these customers define immediate as 10 minutes or less. WhatsApp equips your business with a speedy way to meet the challenge. Next, better personalization. 71% of customers expect personalization in their interactions with a business, and 76% of them will switch providers if dissatisfied. WhatsApp offers businesses a chance to transform customer data into tailored messages, creating a more welcoming and personalized experience. Next, higher customer engagement. WhatsApp messages have an open rate of 98% when compared to emails 20%. Customers are more likely to respond to messages and participate in ongoing conversations, which in turn creates more opportunities for businesses to build loyalty and upsell other offerings. Next, instant communication. WhatsApp is a real-time messaging platform that enables and thrives on instant answers and updates without delay. For 66% of consumers, instant and on-demand engagement is a critical decision-making factor when it comes to making purchasing decisions. Next, multimedia support. Businesses can share videos, images, and documents through WhatsApp messages to enrich and diversify the ways they reach out to customers. For example, a tech support team can send out troubleshooting guides with explanatory visual aids like videos or diagrams. And finally, cost effectiveness. When compared to traditional support like call centers, WhatsApp can be a more affordable and flexible option for customer service, particularly for smaller businesses. It is a scalable solution with low operational costs, which still enables businesses to provide quality service without breaking the bank. Now we'll take you through the crucial steps of setting up WhatsApp for customer support. Step 1. Download and install the WhatsApp Business app. To begin, head to your device's designated App Store program to download the WhatsApp Business app. Step 2. Create your business profile. You want to create a profile with your business name, logo, contact information, and a quick rundown of your service offerings and what your business's mission is. Step 3. Add a product catalog. WhatsApp's built-in catalog feature showcases your services and products using images, descriptions, and pricing. This way, customers can browse and directly inquire through the app without having to leave or switch apps. Step 4. Set up business hours and automated messages. If you did not put business hours in your profile, be sure to do so. That way, you can create automated messages to greet customers off hours. These messages can also confirm receipt of their messages or let them know when they can expect a response. Step 5. Integrate with customer service tools, if applicable. WhatsApp can connect to your existing customer relationship management or CRM tools and select help desk software. Check to see if your existing tools integrate with WhatsApp. That way you can manage interactions across your different channels seamlessly. And finally, step 6. Promote your WhatsApp channel. Making your WhatsApp contact details visible and easily reachable through your website, social pages, and even email signatures is a good way to show customers that you use the platform. Customers who see it as an option will take the opportunity to use it. By adopting WhatsApp, your business can better engage with customers while streamlining existing operations. With the right implementation and strategies, WhatsApp is a powerful component of any business's customer service toolkit. If you found this editorial informative, give it a like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell below to keep up with our journey to simplify the VoIP world. Until next time, this is Nate from GetVoIP.